Hello everyone. In the today's session we will discuss about the SQL server filtering data, means how you can filter your data or refine your data using AND operator, OR operator or IN operators. On the basis of these three operators, how you can filter your data while you are retrieving the information or the record from your table. Okay, now let me explain one by one. So let me start with here introduction to SQL Server AND operator. The AND is a logical operator that allows you to combine two Boolean expressions. Means if you specify more than one condition or two condition, then you can use AND operator to join these both criteria. It returns true only when the both expression evaluate true. Means if you retrieve the information from the table on the basis of multiple criteria, while both in case of two criteria, if you have to specify, so both condition or the criteria is true, then your result or expression will be true. When you use more than one logical operator in an expression, SQL Server always evaluates the AND operator first. Means if you have to use more than one operator in an expressions, then it will evaluate AND operator first. However, you can change the order of evaluation by using the parenthesis. Okay, now SQL Server AND operator example. See the following products table in the sample database. So we will perform certain operation, or let me explain with some example on the basis of this table production.products, and the fields of these tables are product ID, product name, brand ID, category ID, model year and the list price. So on the basis of these attribute, or we can say the fields, we will perform the certain operation using AND operator. Let's see. We will move to the next slide. The following example, find the products where the category identification number is 1 and the list price is greater than 400. So the query is select. You know very well, if you want to retrieve any information, then you will use select command, select asterisk for you have to include all the fields which you have defined in the table from production.products table name, where category ID equal to 1 and list price is greater than 400. So here you have to specify two criteria using AND operator. Order by list price DESC, that is descending order. See the output: product ID, product name, brand ID, category ID, model year and the list price. In the output, see here a brand ID equal to 1 and the list price is greater than 400. So like this you can specify the multiple criteria using AND operator in the where along with where clause. So we have to retrieve some specific information from the table. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now we will move to the next thing. The following statements find the products that meet all the following conditions: category ID is 1 and the list price is greater than 400 and the brand ID is 1. Here you have to specify more than 2 condition. We can send in general way list multiple condition using AND operator. See the query. Select a star from production.products where category ID equal to 1 and list price is greater than 400 and brand ID equal to 1. Order by list price DS. See here, category ID 1 and the list price is greater than 400 and the brand ID is also 1. So according to this, you can specify the multiple condition or the criteria using the AND operator in the where clause to retrieve some specific information from the table. Okay, now we will move to the next thing. Okay, now we will move to the next thing. Using the AND operator with the logical operators. In this example, we used both OR and AND operator in the condition. As always, SQL Server evaluated the AND operator first. Therefore, the query retrieve the products whose brand ID is 2 and list price is greater than 1000 or the product whose brand ID is 1. See about the queries. Select star from production.products where brand ID equal to 1 or the brand ID equal to 2 and list price is greater than 1000. Order by brand ID DSC in descending order. So here we have to specify the 3 criteria using 2 operators OR and AND. That means either brand ID 1 or 2 and list price is greater than 1000. See the output. Brand ID is 1 or 2 and list price is greater than 1000. So like this you can apply AND operator or the OR operator, but AND operator evaluate first. Okay, now we will move to the next slide to discuss the next thing. Now we will move to the next slide. To get the product whose brand ID is 1 or 2 and the list price is greater than 1000, to use the parenthesis as follows. Like, see how you write the query. Select a star from production.products where brand ID equal to 1 or brand ID equal to 2. We have to specify these criteria inside the parenthesis, and list price is greater than 1000. Order by brand ID. So here either brand ID is 1 or 2 and list price is greater than 1000. So see here, brand ID is 1, and list price is greater than 1000. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now we will move to the next slide. Introduction to SQL Server OR operator. The SQL Server OR is a logical operator that allows you to combine two Boolean expressions. It returns true when either of the condition evaluate to true. That means if we have to specify two criteria using OR operator, either one condition is true, your result will be true. When you use more than one logical operator in a statement, SQL Server evaluate the OR operator first after the AND operators. Means AND operator evaluate first, then it will OR. However, you can use the parenthesis to change the order of evaluations. See the following products table from the sample database. So we have to use the same table here. Now move to the next slide. See the following example finds the products whose list price is less than 200 or the greater than 6000. So see the query, select product name, comma, list price from production.products, where list price less than 200 or list price is greater than 6000, order by list price. So you can specify the criteria using OR operator. Either any one condition is true, your result will be true. That means you will retrieve the information. So here list price is less than 200 and list price is greater than 6000. Both related information or the record has been displayed. So if we compare AND and OR operator, so in case of AND, both condition is true, then your result will be true, or you will retrieve the information on both the criteria has been fulfilled. In case of the OR operator, either one condition is true, you will get the result, or you will retrieve the information on the basis of both condition. Any one condition is true, you will retrieve the information. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now we will move to the next slide. Using multiple OR operator example, the following statement: find the product whose brand ID is 1, 2 or 4. See the query, select product name, comma, brand ID from production.products, where brand ID equal to 1 or brand ID equal to 2 or brand ID equal to 4, order by brand ID ESC in descending order. See the output, the brand ID 4, 2 and 1, it's related product names. So like this you can specify the multiple criteria using OR operator. Any one condition is matched, its related information will be retrieved. Now you can replace multiple OR operator by the in operator as shown in the following query. Means if you want to retrieve the same output, you can also write the same query in this manner. Select product name, brand ID from production.products, where brand ID in 1, 2, 3 and order by brand ID the ESC. The same output you will retrieve. So either you can write down using the OR operator like this, or you can write down the query using in operator in this manner. In both the cases you can retrieve the same output. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now we will move to the next slide. Using OR operator with AND operator example. This example we use both OR and AND operator. As always, SQL Server evaluated the AND operator first. Therefore, the query return the products whose brand ID is 2 and the list price is greater than 500, or the product whose brand ID is 1. See the query. Select product name, brand ID, list price from production.products, where brand ID equal to 1 or brand ID equal to 2 and list price is greater than 500. Order by brand ID the ESC comma list price. So here product name, brand ID and list price. Brand ID in descending order 2, 2, 2 and then 1, 1, 1, and the list price is greater than 500. So this is the way you can write down. You can write the query on the basis of the multiple criteria using AND or OR operator. Okay, now we will move to the next slide. Using OR operator and with operator example, to find the product whose brand ID is 1 or 2 and the list price is greater than 500, you use the parenthesis as shown in the following queries. So similar to the previous slide, just here we have to use the parenthesis. Select product name, brand ID, list price from production.products, where brand ID equal to 1 or brand ID equal to 2 in between the parenthesis, then AND operator, list price is greater than 500. That means either brand ID 1 or 2 and list price is greater than 500. See here, all the list price is greater than 500 and the brand ID either 1 or 2. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now we will move to the next slide. SQL Server in operator overview. The in operator is a logical operator that allows you to test whether a specified value matches any value on the list. The following shows the syntax of the SQL Server in operator. What is columns or expressions in then in the parenthesis you can specify the value 1, value 2, value 3, and so on. To negate the in operator, you use the not in operator as follows: columns or the attributes, expressions not in value 1, value 2, value 3. That means in first case it will retrieve the information on the basis of value you have to specify using in operator, value 1, value 2, and value 3. In the second negation, that is not in, the result will be retrieved except the value you have specified and not in value 1, value 2, value 3. Except these value, the rest of the value or the record information will be retrieved. The same here, the SQL Server in operator example. See the following production.product table from the sample database. That means we have to use this table for process the in operator, or some example we will proceed on basis of this table. Let me explain we will move to the next slide. See here, using the SQL Server in with the list of values example. The following statement: find the products whose list price is one of the following values: 89.99, 109.99, 159.99. The query is: select product name, comma, list price from production.products, where list price in 89.99, comma, 109.99, comma, 159.99, order by list price. See here the output: the list price whose values are 89.99, 109.99, 159.99. And the next example is not in. To find the product whose list price are not one of the price above, you use the not in operator as shown in the following query. Select product names, comma, list price from production.products, where list price not in 89.99, 109.99, 159.99, order by list price. It means it will retrieve the information except the value we have to specify and not in. See here, except 89.99, 109.99, and 159.99. All the values it will display. So if you want to specify the list of values or the range of values and corresponding result you want to be retrieved from the tables, then you have to use in operator or not in operator. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, let me the next thing. The following query return a list of product identification number of the products located in the store ID 1 and has the quantity greater than or equal to 30. Query is: select product ID from production.stocks, where store ID equal to 1 and quantity is greater than equal to 30. Sorry, so see here, output is clear to everyone. So this is all about for the today's session. I hope all the concept whatever I have discussed today's session you have to understand. Just you will do the more practice, you can easily understand the things. So today we have discussed about AND operator, OR operator and IN operator to retrieve the information from the tables. Thank you all of you.